And good morning, viewers, and today we've got ourselves the ultimate cruiser, a 1962 Chevy Belair.
It's a beautiful vehicle, Chris, this one. Right-hand drive, factory built and delivered.
You don't normally see them in factory right-hand drives, do you?
No, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous and in mint condition. And it's got a beautiful green colour with a white roof, and the trims are matching green, and the car's in very much original condition.
Now this thing originally came into the shop because it needed an engine rebuild, right?
Yeah, the old motor was down on power and smoky and burning oil. So what the customer said to us is, I wanted to leave the car looking stock standard with just some nice little touches. We've retained the original generator. We've had to swap out the headers because one of the headers had a crack on it. So the engine still looks completely stock. It's been balanced and blueprinted, all new pistons, rings, bearings. It's had the cylinder heads reconditioned for unleaded fuel. And the thing looks absolutely stock, so it's all factory original GM colours. The next lot of works he's bringing it in for is just to do some paint works on the roof because the roof's a little bit faded.
Little things here and there, and Jesus Christ, it's hard to steer. It's like trying to steer the Titanic. And now it's a perfect cruiser because the radiator's good, the engine's good, the gearbox is good.
No, we don't do any power skids or anything on this one because it's probably not capable.
I don't think so. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching today's episode. It was a little bit slower today, but it's worth it because this car was absolutely beautiful. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you need any parts for your car or need any work done, check out the website or give us a call, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks, Chris.